It's very difficult not to conclude that the British court system is in danger of becoming a money-making um, club. And it is slightly shocking. When you read, as today, there's a story about somebody who wanted a transcript of a trial and wrote to the court to try and get that transcript, assuming it would be free, and was told that the charge for the transcript would be £22,000. Other charges, £30,000. This is astronomically extraordinary. This is this is making money out of other people's misery, and it's unacceptable. Now, I've kept my eye on some whistleblowers in the NHS, and their case looks really very sound, and yet at the same time they're having difficulty because they've been pushed back and pushed back and pushed back, and so much time has ground on. They're now at the point where they've now got to provide a new financial settlement to go any further. It's not because anything has changed, it's because the court has been slow, the court has been tardy in responding, the court has been dragging its feet, the court has been interested in its bureaucracy. So now suddenly it wants details of a money waiver or indeed payment, and all the documents again, because in the time since their last pushback, they have shredded all the original documents in line with their standards of data protection and privacy. They've always got an answer, but it's always about making money for themselves. The only people who seem to make money out of a legal issue are the barristers, are the lawyers, are the courts. And it is slightly shocking. You notice, of course, in the Horizon story, the lawyers make the money. The lawyers get paid. The people, the actual victims, are left with empty pockets. And the post office still retains the money that it took from them. This is outrageous, utterly outrageous. And when you look at the role of the of the government and of government ministers in this farce, when the judiciary is supposed to be independent, it becomes extremely worrying. And I think the amount of money and the clubbable impression that is given is undermining the quality of our legal system. It's undermining the perception of independence that is so important. The law is supposed to be independent. The law is supposed to be blind to privilege and to money. And it's supposed to be perceived as that. And I don't think in the issues that I've looked at, and particularly in NHS whistleblowing, I don't think that's coming across. And it certainly doesn't come across in the post office scandal. And when you read of people, as I've just been reading a story now, of somebody whose daughter had gone through a trial about rape, and the person in question had been acquitted, and they hadn't attended the trial because they found it too traumatic, and they wanted to look at the transcript, and they couldn't because it would cost £22,000. This is simply shocking, and this is the contempt of the court system for ordinary people. Now, in the past, maybe legal aid might have helped, but it isn't helping people now, is it? And this cosy, clubbable system, it seems wrong. It just seems wrong.